For the Western Carolina region of Creative Juice, our throwaway item was selected to be plastic bottles. For the design phase, we began with a brainstorming session in which we developed many possible ideas and conceptual models. Being engineering students, most of these ideas were mechanical in nature. After selecting a spreader type device, we began to refine the idea further using 3D modeling software and our experiences gained throughout our college careers. As this project had to be completed in 10 days using only plastic bottles, we kept our design simple. By designing this way, we were able to ensure the final product was simple, flexible, and robust.
During the construction phase, we gathered up different types of plastic bottles and lids. The body of our item was made out of a throwaway bottle we felt was suitable to cut and shape our project the way we wanted. For the spreading device, we removed the bottom of the bottle, leaving a section left as a guard for the spreader.
To form the material release system, we used large plastic lids as the basis for this mechanism. The lids were custom cut to fit the contour of the bottle, and holes were drilled for the crankshaft and material release mechanism. A tab was left on one of these lids to act as an open-close valve for the material. The material spreader was formed using several lids to ensure proper distribution and maximum flow, or as we like to call it, spreadability.
To distribute material from the final product, we constructed a spreader or throwing device. This was made by cutting a large plastic lid, leaving only a circular disc. Sections of curved lid were then attached to the circular disc to create an ejection system. After most of our main components had been fashioned, we began to assemble the final product. To start, we cut an access groove to allow the material release mechanism to open and close. Once the release mechanism had been inserted, it was anchored by cut sections of hard plastic lid and adhesive. This would ensure the release mechanism would stay fixed into position, allowing the final product to function correctly.
To form the crankshaft, we used high-density polyethylene. We cut open a plastic bottle to the length of 10 inches. Heat was used from a lighter to enhance the formability of the plastic. Once the plastic was malleable by the heat, we rolled it by hand and kept it together with the world's greatest engineering tool, duct tape. For added stability, a small amount of adhesive was applied to ensure that the handle held its form. After adhesive was set, the duct tape was then removed.
The crankshaft was inserted through the center of the bottle to ensure proper positioning of the material release system, the spreader, and the open-close valve.
And now we present the Plasto-Spreader X.
Recent studies have shown that 3 out of 3 ET students in our group prefer Plasto-Spreader X to any and all competitors.
Plasto-Spreader X, beating down all competitors. Ha ha ha.